I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Enable Bluetooth on Windows 10 in Settings Devices and open the AirPods case. Once done, press and hold the Setup button on the case until the LED flashes white so Windows can see them. Make sure your PC isn't connected to another headset. If it is, disconnect that device. You want a clean pairing environment, so close apps that use audio. Now move to Add Bluetooth or other device to begin pairing right away. You'll now pair and configure audio profiles. Go to Add Bluetooth or other device, choose Bluetooth, and pick your AirPods from the list. Once paired, open Sound Settings and select your AirPods as the default output device so audio plays through them. Check Input 2 if you need the mic. Note that Windows often creates two profiles, stereo and hands-free. For better music quality, choose stereo. For calls, choose hands-free. Make sure apps are pointed at the AirPods device and test audio playback to confirm. Finish by fine-tuning. Adjust system and app volumes, and if necessary, change the sample rate in device properties advanced for latency or quality fixes. Once done, test a call and media playback. If something goes wrong, remove the AirPods from Bluetooth devices and repair or restart the Bluetooth support service that usually clears stubborn issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the mic sounds bad, switch to stereo for listening and use a dedicated microphone for calls. Windows hands-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.